Hey everyone, Cristina Dougherty, Long and Foster. I am here with Adel from Glass Geeks.
Hi guys.
And if you ever have a broken seal or need anything repaired, Adel is your guy. We are going to show you how to replace a broken seal in a window. Window happens to be mine, and Adel was wonderful enough to work on some clients in the neighborhood and also on my own window. So we're going to teach you who to call really.
Call me, I'll get it done for you quickly.
Exactly. Or if you want to try it on your own, which I don't suggest, but it's kind of cool to watch how to replace the glass in your windows.
Face the window, you hold it like it's in place. So latches on top, they're facing outside. And just take your window like this and you tilt it here and here. Make sure it's locked there, and then you just go up. Don't twist it. Put it down and lock it. How about that?
Whole new window.